G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking black earrings. I've got 3 styles of black earrings I want to share with you. Starting with this tunnel style earring, which has been a favorite of mine for many years. The reason I like black earrings is in many cases they can be subtle. I like it because I have darker features, dark facial hair, dark eyes. I feel it like suits that, it matches that. So yeah, and this tunnel one, this is a 6mm. It's called like a fake tunnel. And I used to wear this a lot to parties, even just around uni and college. You can wear it to nightclubs. And also if you live in a more hipster style city like I do in Melbourne, it kind of suits the nightlife. More hipster bars, you can wear this and it suits that atmosphere. And it just pairs well with a lot of different clothing. You can wear it with hoodies, shirts, you know, a bit more formal, but it's not over the top. It's not like a diamond stud where you really have to like have your hair done nicely and all that. You can wear this, you know, if you're looking a bit more slobby, looks fine. So yeah, that is the 6mm tunnel. Next earring I have to show you is this one. It's the stainless steel black cubic zirconia. It's like a diamond stud, but instead of a diamond or a fake diamond, it's a black, like a black fake gem. I'll try and give you a close-up look. Okay, so I'll take out the tunnel and put in the zirconia. Alright, that is what the zirconia looks like. It has a backing on the other side to keep it in place. And I've never actually worn this out, I've just got it. It's also 6mm, and again, I like it because it's subtle. It's also different and unique. Most people wearing these styles of earrings, it is that fake diamante style. This is unique, you're gonna stand out with this. It's got that coolness factor, and as I've mentioned before, it goes with dark features as well. And if you have more of a darker black fashion sense, this will go good with that. So that is the cubic zirconia. All right, last but not least is the black hoop style earring. This is the 10mm. So we'll take out this one. Oh, there it is. 10mm black hoop style. And again, I haven't worn this out, I've just got it, but I'm liking how it sits. It's the least subtle of the 3 that I have, and it's quite heavy. I can feel it weighing down my earlobe a bit. Yeah, add something different. Again, it's black, it suits my features, it's got, you know, what I'm looking for in a black earring, but it's the hoop style. So good to have to your collection. Maybe you've been wearing the studs too much, you need to change it up a bit. This would be a perfect addition to your black earring collection. Another reason why I like these black earrings is, you know, if you haven't got your ears pierced yet and you're a bit tentative because the types of earrings that you get when you first get your ears pierced, they can stand out a bit, or maybe they don't suit you, maybe they're too light, maybe that diamond look is not your style. You've always got these black ones that you can fall back on. That might be exactly the style that you're looking for. Anyway guys, I'll put a description of all the different types of earrings I've tried in this video so you can Google them and find where you can get them locally. But that'll be the video for today. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.